guys? Welcome to our channel, Lomas Security here again. Today we're working on taking over 4 elevators for one of our customers, and this is basically a takeover from a takeover. So this is a newer system from the original system, so you can tell we're gonna find a lot of different splices, power supplies, and we basically have to go through every single wire, label all the wires, identify all the floors, and minimize all the splices and redo this from scratch. But this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna start the process of taking all these panels down and measure the new ones on, mount them, and please stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you for watching. Look after removing the old panels and the old power supply. Now that we have everything nice and labeled, we were able to remove all the old power supplies, and get it all ready to go for the new panels to be mounted. Basically for this, we're gonna replace 4 of the old power supplies. We're gonna have 4 caps on each of these power supplies and MR16 outs to control all the floors. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and mount the new panels. Unfortunately, we can't really record and do the work at the same time. But once we have everything mounted and laid out with all the cable, we'll show you how everything's gonna look and the process of putting all the new all the cabling into the new boards. So thank you. So this is the final result on the new life safety power supplies. After removing the old ones, we installed the wire guide right next to the panels. So once the installation is complete, then we can cover all the cables, and this is gonna look really clean and properly installed. And this is what the new boards look like. We'll come back tomorrow, finish up the wiring, and then after that, programming and testing. Stay tuned. We're gonna complete this tomorrow. We have all the elevators, all the floors, everything landed. It took a couple of days to clean up everything. And this is what the final result is. We got the backup batteries on. We're still waiting for the electrician to come by and hook these power supplies up, because they have to be hardwired by code in Colorado. And of course has to be done by a licensed electrician. We removed about 6 cans from the old system, and we consolidated everything onto 2 power supplies. These basically, each one, this is for the cab number 1, reader 1, and these 2 boards underneath it, they're the sub panels that control every single floor. And that's how it is, consistent on all 4 caps. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. And if you're not subscribed, it's free. Please subscribe to our channel and turn the bell on for any other videos that we will be uploading. Thanks again for watching.